Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tonneau covers for Ford F-150 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Leer Latitude Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover. This cover is ideal for Ford F-150 owners with a 5.6-foot bed from model years 2015 to 2025. Its trifold design allows for easy storage and versatility, letting you secure gear or open it entirely for larger cargo. The standout feature here is Leer's exclusive sync latching system, which lets you open and close the cover effortlessly with one hand near the tailgate. Installation is straightforward thanks to its no-drill design, making it accessible even for beginners. In terms of build quality, the Latitude features a rugged vinyl finish that's flexible yet durable enough to provide years of service. The self-tensioning frame ensures the cover stays in place, even during bumpy rides, while the beveled edges and rounded corners work to keep water out of the truck bed. It's not just functional, it has a sleek, protective design that adds a polished look to your Ford F-150. However, the Latitude is better suited for casual users who prioritize ease of installation and basic protection over heavy-duty performance. While the vinyl material provides adequate weatherproofing, it may not be as sturdy as other covers on this list for extreme conditions. Overall, this product is a solid choice for Ford owners looking for a simple, functional tonneau cover with user-friendly features. Coming in at number 4 is the Leer SR250 Soft Rolling Tonneau Cover, designed for Ford F-150s with a 5'6" bed from 2015 to 2025. This cover boasts a roll-up design, making it perfect for those who need quick access to their truck bed without sacrificing secure storage. The built-in buckles ensure the cover stays in place while driving, and the sync latching system provides one-handed operation for maximum convenience. This cover is crafted from double-coated reinforced vinyl, supported by aluminum bows for added durability and weatherproofing. One of the key strengths of the SR250 is its simple installation process. The cover uses a quick clamp assembly, requiring no drilling, ideal for those who want to avoid complicated setups. Additionally, the tension adjustment feature prevents sagging over time, ensuring the cover maintains its sleek look and functionality. Its lightweight design makes it easy to roll up and secure when you need to haul larger items. While the SR250 is durable and user-friendly, it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty users who frequently encounter extreme weather or rough terrain. The vinyl material is strong, but could be less resilient than hardcovers or other premium options on this list. Overall, the SR250 is an excellent choice for everyday drivers who value convenience and reliable protection without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the realtruck Truxedo Pro X15 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. This product is designed for Ford F-150s with a 5'7" bed from 2015 to 2025, offering a sleek, matte black appearance and an ultra-low profile. The standout feature is its woven fabric, which naturally repels dirt and dust while the truck is in motion, keeping your cover clean and stylish. Opening and closing the Pro X15 is incredibly simple. Just use the trigger latch at the driver's side to unlock and roll it up to the cab. Installation is quick and hassle-free, requiring no drilling or special tools. The Pro X15 shines in both design and functionality. Its flush fit ensures a seamless integration with your truck's design lines, giving it a polished look. Plus, the woven fabric isn't just for aesthetics. It's durable and weather-resistant, capable of protecting your cargo against rain, snow, or dust. With a lightweight build and easy operation, this cover is a great choice for drivers who frequently access their truck beds. While the Pro X15 excels in style and practicality, it might fall short for users seeking heavy-duty durability or additional cargo management features. It's perfect for those who want a sleek, low-profile cover with reliable performance, but might not offer the versatility of add-ons like T-slot channels found in higher-ranked covers. Overall, the Pro X15 is an excellent mid-range option that blends functionality with great design. Taking the number 2 spot is the realtruck Truxedo Pro X15 TS tonneau cover, a premium version of the Pro X15 that's compatible with Ford F-150s from 2015 to 2024, including the Lightning model. This cover features specialized 15-degree side rails for an extra low profile, giving it an even sleeker appearance than its predecessor. The matte black woven canvas provides both durability and style while repelling dirt and moisture. A key upgrade is the T-slot channels integrated into the rails, allowing users to add racks, carriers, and other cargo management accessories. Perfect for those who need extra functionality. Performance-wise, the Pro X15 TS delivers exceptional protection against weather elements while maintaining its lightweight and easy-to-use design. The low-profile fit enhances aerodynamics, which can slightly improve fuel efficiency over time. With its no-drill installation process, this cover is a breeze to set up, making it accessible to users of all experience levels. The ability to integrate accessories elevates its versatility, making it a fantastic option for adventurers and frequent travelers. However, the Pro X15 TS might be considered overkill for casual users who don't need the additional cargo management features. It's a premium product with a premium price tag, so it's best for buyers who want both style and functionality without compromise. Overall, this is a top-notch choice for Ford owners looking for a high-performing, stylish tonneau cover with expandable capabilities. Finally, at number 1, we have the Whale Motor Quad-Fold Tonneau Cover, designed for Ford F-150s with a 6.5-foot standard bed from 2015 to 2025. This cover offers an innovative quad-fold design, providing unparalleled flexibility for accessing specific sections of your truck bed. Whether you need full access or just a partial opening, this cover adapts to your needs effortlessly. Made from high-quality vinyl and aluminum, it's built to withstand harsh weather conditions while protecting your cargo from dust, dirt, and debris. One of the standout features of the Whale Motor Quad Fold is its aerodynamic design, which reduces wind drag and can improve gas mileage, a great bonus for frequent drivers. Installation is incredibly easy thanks to its clamp-on system, requiring no special tools and taking just minutes to set up. It also comes with weather stripping and a 12-month warranty, ensuring peace of mind. The Whale Motor cover excels in durability, ease of use, and versatility, making it ideal for both everyday drivers and heavy-duty users. However, it's worth noting that the quad-fold design might be slightly bulkier than tri-fold or roll-up covers when fully opened. Still, its superior protection, flexible access options, and aerodynamic benefits make it the best overall choice for Ford F-150 owners. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a reliable, high-quality tonneau cover. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.